A move-in ready to Lego home complete with modern touches and great views. Welcome to 20 Calle Castillo, located on a single loaded street overlooking the Talega and Bella Colina golf courses. Recent updates include these stunning real oak wood floors that modernize the entire home. With almost 4,000 square feet, this home would be great for a big family or someone who loves to entertain, especially with this open, formal space that leads right to the backyard. You'll love this open backyard space with freestanding fireplace. Plus, there's still room to add a pool down the road. Inside, there are 4 bedrooms with 1 ensuite guest room downstairs, a spacious loft that could easily convert to a 5th bedroom. The oversized master suite includes an impressive view balcony, plus a large bathroom with tub and built-in closet. A front office is perfect for a library or working from home. Light pours into the open kitchen with double ovens and walk-in pantry, opening up to the family room with fireplace and access to the outside. This home has it all: 3-car garage, downstairs laundry room, casual and formal spaces, plus those views. Come see this beauty in person and contact me, Kelly LeClaire, with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty at 949-412-6551. Thanks for watching.